This is a Vox Telstar, a little rigging. The problem is when you tighten the heads, that it deflects and the head doesn't ever get really tight down here. So it deflects down. So I put in this strut rod system here, just tightening it up right now. But basically how it works is there's two heims, top and bottom, with a right and a left hand thread, and the more I crank this, the more it expands the shell. And it also gives it a lot of support, just so nothing could ever happen here. It's all made out of aluminum, and it's fully adjustable. You lock it in with the jam nut. I also put in this pillow stay here, because there's no hole in the kick drum, so I can't adjust the pillow. So got this in here, and I just put a hole in the pillow. So I'll show you the final in a moment.